Hey, what's up guys? How you going? Today is another trailer build episode. I'm super excited. My rooftop tent has arrived and we're gonna build a rack for it today, just so the rooftop tent can go onto the trailer. So as you guys can see over here, I have the tent and we've got all our aluminium pieces. So yeah, it's just a matter of building it today and putting it onto the trailer, and then it's finally gonna look like a camper trailer. So yeah, and then I can add all the other stuff to it as well. So yeah, super excited. So yeah, we'll show you how to build the rack. We're gonna weld with aluminium, just so everything is light but still very strong. So yeah guys, sit back and relax and we'll show you how to build a rack for your trailer. Let's get into it. Alright, so for this job to be possible, what you want to do is whack some aluminium weld in there, and this is argon gas. So if you want to weld aluminium, that's the one you need to get, and then you need to buy that regulator as well, and then also some steel and stainless wheels for your grinder. So yeah, that's what you basically need so far. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can find it yourself. Alright, let's continue. Alrighty guys, I'm just quickly giving you an update what we've done so far. So we have cut the frame. So as you can see over here, it's all cut, which is pretty good. So that's going to be the main frame that the tent's going to go on. So basically we've just quickly cut these ones over here. So what we're going to do is actually make the tent adjustable, or not the tent, the rack. So on the trailer here, as you can see, we're gonna put the tent, like let it slide onto these racks over here with these ones. So the tent's basically just gonna slide on. So that means it's gonna be adjustable, so it will be able to go up and down. So that's pretty cool. So when I'm driving, the tent's gonna be about there, and then when I'm at camp, I'm just gonna lift it up wherever I want, and then just put the pin in. And then yeah, it will be up and out of the way, which is pretty cool for the lids to open, obviously. Let's continue with this build. So there you go. It sits very nice on there. So as you can see, we made these brackets over here just so it's adjustable. So now that whole thing slides up and down. So I just need one person on this side and the other person on that side. Lift it up together. It's not too heavy actually, it's only about 30 kilos each side. And then it's up in the air, so once it's there, I'm just going to drill some holes and put a pin through it, and then in that way it will stay up there when you are at camp. So yeah, basically we just need to drill some holes again over here and then put some pins in there, and yeah, so then the front will stay because it's open underneath over there and closed at the back. So yeah, basically just putting pins through, and then also give it a paint job. I'll probably leave this like that, and then just paint this bar over here and the other side black, just so it looks nice. You probably don't want to paint this because it's going to slide up and down, and you want to keep that lubricated with WD-40 just so it slides up and down easily, whereas if it's painted it might be a bit harder to do. But yeah guys, that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow.